Here's a quick example to demonstrate where we can locate or where you can go to a website, any website, and navigate to find the system requirements to see if the software will run on your computer. I am on the Adobe Photoshop website, and we can certainly scroll down and look at the website, see what it has to offer, see if we find any hot links. But if we stay at the top, we'll notice right under our area, in our banner area here, there is an option here for learn and support, and that is primarily where I think I would find this type of information. And sure enough, I do. I see under the troubleshooting and help, there is an option over here for compatibility. I'm going to go ahead and click on that link, and there are a number of questions. The first question is, will Photoshop run on my computer? And so I'll go ahead and click on that link, and that will bring me to another hot link that shows me the system requirements. And so here is where I can find if the software will run on my computer if I have a Windows, and if I scroll down a little further, I can see the system requirements for a Mac.